Hey, you lovely people, Jamie Oliver here. I'm gonna rustle up a stunning prosciutto wrapped cod with garlicky beans in Tefal's dual drawer air fryer. Whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner, you'll be able to create flavour-packed food, including lots of lovely healthy options for yourself and the whole family. Tefal's dual drawer enables you to create a complete meal in no time, with no need to preheat, saving you time and energy. And the range of functions removes a lot of the guesswork. Or you can just shut the drawer, set the time and temperature, and let the air fryer do its thing. The sync setting also means that both drawers finish at the same time, so you can cook separate meals at separate temperatures. This looks amazing. It really is that simple to make something super tasty. So there you go, Tefal's dual air fryer really delivers on ease and time and helps you deliver big on flavour. I reckon it'll soon be your favourite bit of kitchen kit. What are you waiting for? Happy cooking.